Hey guys, I am doing an introduction of my Peeping pan project today. This is from a Facebook group, so in the description I will link the people doing it. You're supposed to choose 4 to 6 items that you want to hit pan on and then roll things out and new things in as you hit pan. I thought I was going to pick 5 items. Actually, I thought I was gonna pick 4 items, but I ended up picking 6. So hopefully it's not too stressful for me. If I finish 2 and like my other projects are going poorly, I might stay at 4. I don't know, we'll see. First up, I've got a foundation in here. This is the MAC Mineralize Foundation in NC20. I think I dropped it and it like cracked, which is weird because it's a cream. But anyway, I've used this a little bit, but not very much at all. So that's why I'd like to hit pan on it. I know some people go through these really fast. So theoretically, I think this is one that won't take me forever to hit pan on. Then I have a MAC paint pot in Indianwood. If you've been on my channel before, you'll know this was in my Finish 9 by New Year's project. I've got a good little dip going in the center actually, so theoretically I'll hit pan someday here. I don't know, we'll see. I have no other cream shadows in any projects right now, so I think that it'll be somewhat feasible for me to hit pan on this soon. In my 9 by New Year's, I had 2 cream shadows, so I think that was why it was so hard for me to hit pan on this one. Then I've got my Hylamide photography foundation. My goal on this is actually to hit this halfway mark. So I went ahead and marked where it is right now. It's really liquidy, but I just shook it up. So anyway, right now I'm here and this is where I want to get to in order to roll this out of the project. Then I've got some eyeshadows. So first up, I've got Quarry from MAC. This has a pretty good dip in it. So I just want to hit pan. I do really like this shadow, but it's getting kind of old. So I'm not sure if like I might hit pan and then back to MAC it just because it is older. I haven't decided yet. This is Noble Touch from MAC. This one I think is gonna be hard because it is a domed product, but I really just wanna get more use on this. I had this in a project last year, like a project progress maybe, or a monthly makeup basket. I don't remember, but it's nice. And it's like, I kept it through declutters because it is a nice little duo of shadows, but I hardly ever reach for singles. So it's hard. It's also a domed product, so I can't really depot it and put it in a palette. So I do really want to hit pan on it and cycle it through. Then my 6th product is Foxy from my Naked 2 palette. I have depotted that palette. I've gotten rid of some of the shades and kept some of them, but it was an older palette, so I'd really like to probably like hit pan on as many of the shades as possible and just declutter them as I get use out of them. So this is a cream shade that I think will be really easy to pan or hit pan. It does have a pretty good dip in the center, so I think I could hit pan theoretically quickly. We'll see. Eyeshadows are always tough, I think. I did weigh all my products, so at the next update, if I don't have visible progress, I can tell you how much they have changed in weight. I weigh them on my little scale, and I do grams out to 2 decimal places because that's what the scale can do for me. So that's how I measure progress on a lot of these things. Obviously, hitting pan is the goal. If I haven't hit pan on anything next month, it'll be kind of disappointing, I guess. I don't know. Sometimes I'm disappointed in myself in my projects, but hopefully some of these things will have hit pan in the next few months and I'll be putting in new things, and I can't wait to see you guys then. Probably a lot of eyeshadows will go through this project, but I will do monthly updates and I will see you back here in February. I'm doing a ton of videos right now, so I'm not sure exactly when the updates for this video will fall in the month. I haven't really decided yet, but it will go up sometime in February for my first update, and I hope to see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye.